Welcome guys. In this tutorial I will show you how to create your own brush preset. Without wasting much time, let's get into it. Create a new document and fill it with a white background. Now select the shape tool and draw any random shape you can think of. Fill the shape or shapes you've created with black. Now merge the layers by pressing Ctrl E. Go to Edit and select Define Brush Preset. Now name your brush. Create a new layer and fill it with white and try playing around with your new brush. Hope this was helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.